Welcome back, fellow adventurers, to GlobeLens Adventures. Today, we are stepping into the digital world to make travel planning easier than ever. With so many apps available, it's hard to know which ones will actually help you plan a smooth and unforgettable trip. From booking flights to discovering hidden gems, we've rounded up the best apps you will need for your next adventure. Let's dive in and explore together. See the world through us. First on the list is a must-have for every traveler, Google Maps. Whether you're navigating the streets of Paris, hiking through the mountains of New Zealand, or just trying to find the nearest coffee shop in Tokyo, Google Maps has your back. It doesn't just give directions, it also offers local reviews, nearby attractions, and even offline access when you download maps in advance. This app is your all-in-one navigation tool. Imagine you're visiting Rome Colosseum but want to grab some authentic Italian pizza afterward. Google Maps will not only guide you to the best pizza spots nearby, but also show you reviews from other travelers, ensuring you don't miss out on hidden gems. Next up, Airbnb. This app is perfect for finding unique and memorable accommodations. Whether you're searching for a cozy apartment in Amsterdam, a beachside villa in Bali, or a mountain cabin in Swiss Alps, Airbnb offers a variety of options for every type of traveler. And now, with the addition of experiences hosted by locals, you can dive deeper into the culture through cooking classes, walking tours, and more. For instance, while looking at listings in Kyoto, you can find not just traditional homes, but also unique experiences like tea ceremonies hosted by locals, giving you an authentic cultural experience right at your accommodation. Let's talk flights. Skyscanner is your go-to app for finding the best deals on airfare. It allows you to compare prices across hundreds of airlines, set price alerts, and even discover the cheapest days to fly. Whether you're planning a trip to New York or heading off to explore the jungles of Costa Rica, Skyscanner makes sure you find the most affordable way to get there. For example, if you're planning a trip to explore the Great Wall of China, Skyscanner can help you find the cheapest flight options, giving you flexibility with dates and ensuring you get the best deal. Keeping all your travel plans in one place can be a hassle, but that's where TripIt comes in. Simply forward your flight, hotel, and car rental confirmation emails and TripIt will create a complete itinerary for you. Whether you're traveling across Europe with multiple stops in Paris, Berlin, and Prague, or island hopping in the Maldives, this app ensures everything stays organized and easy to access. Imagine you've got a busy schedule exploring Thailand, from the markets of Bangkok to the beaches of Phuket. TripIt compiles all your reservations into one simple itinerary that you can check anytime. Travel internationally means dealing with different currencies, and XE Currency is the best app for real-time conversions. Whether you're haggling at the market of Marrakech, shopping in the streets of Tokyo, or dining out in Barcelona, XE Currency ensures you are never caught off guard with exchange rates. Plus, it works offline, making it a reliable tool in areas with limited internet access. For instance, if you are strolling through the market of Istanbul, you can quickly convert Turkish lira to home currency, helping you avoid overspending. Rome to Rio. Navigating transportation in a new country can be challenging, but Rome to Rio simplifies it. This app shows you how to get from point A to point B, whether you're catching a bus in Mexico City, taking a ferry in Greece, or hopping on a train in Tokyo. It lists all possible transportation options, buses, trains, flights, and even driving routes, so you can choose the best and most affordable option for your journey. For example, if you're planning a trip from Sydney to the Blue Mountains, Rome to Rio will show you everything from trains to buses, along with estimated prices and travel times. Lastly, communication in a foreign country can be tough, but Google Translate makes it much easier. This app can translate text, speech, and even signs using your phone's camera. If you're dining in a French cafe, browsing a market in Beijing, or trying to read street signs in Moscow. Google Translate helps you break down language barriers. For example, if you're exploring the streets of Tokyo and come across a menu in Japanese, simply snap a picture and Google Translate will do the rest, making it easier to order that delicious sushi. And there you have it, our top apps for planning your next adventure. Whether you're exploring bustling cities or remote mountains, which app are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our future tips and tricks. Remember, see the world through us at GlobeLens Adventures. See you next time.